Good evening to the aspirants of the JCJ Andhra Pradesh as well as the Telangana state. Karibu sana in Swahili. Welcome to my class in English. And today that I am going to deal the POCSO Act 2012. It is a compensatory class which I did not take it on 7th April 2023. That is on Friday. You are welcome. And without wasting the time, that I would like to go to the bombarding session, that is the shooting session. Yes. Now be ready to shoot it. First question. An act to protect children from the offences of dash and provide for the establishment of the special courts for the trial of such offences and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Within parentheses, which is the right sequence? You have to find out the right sequence among the A, B, C, D. A. Sexual harassment, sexual assault, and pornography. B. Sexual assault, pornography, and sexual harassment. C. Pornography, sexual assault, and sexual harassment. D. Sexual assault, sexual harassment, and pornography. Which is the proper and exact sequence? Unmute and speak. Shoot. There is no negative marks. You can take an option.
Once more, sir. Repeat, sir. Once again.
See this, already I have given which is the proper sequence, the right sequence among the A, B, C, D.
Acham. Okay. Sexual
I already read the
assault. Sir, D, sir. Answer is.
answer is the D is the right answer. It is a sexual assault first, second sexual harassment, and the pornography is the last word. That is the D is the right answer for the first question. Now let us go to the second question. Sexual assault is defined in the dash of POCSO Act. A. Section 6, B option Section 7, multiple choice C Section 8, and multiple choice D Section 9.
Section 7, sir. Sexual assault.
Sexual assault is described or defined in the Section 7 of the POCSO Act. Yes, very good. Now the third question. The Nagpur bench adjudged that holding a minor's hand and opening his jeep of pants will not come under the purview of the sexual assault under the POCSO Act 2012 and would rather be considered sexual harassment. The appellant was not convinced convicted for the aggravated sexual assault under the section 10 of the and 12 of the POCSO with other provision of the IPC. Therefore, this decision turned out to be a controversial one, like the skin-to-skin judgment. The above facts are in the following case law. A. Libnus versus State of Maharashtra. B. Attorney General for India versus Satish. C. State of Telangana versus Umesh Kumar. D. Ratnakar versus State of Andhra Pradesh.
D, sir. I am not find out.
WRONG, Ratnakar versus State of Andhra Pradesh, WRONG. The right answer is Libnus versus the State of Maharashtra. A for America. Now the fourth question. The Act provides for the stringent punishments. The extent of the punishments under the Act range from the 3 years to life imprisonment along with a fine depending upon the dash of the offense. What is the appropriate word terminology in the dash? A. Severity. B. Gravity. C. Significance. D. Seriousness.
Significance, sir.
WRNG.
Seriousness.
WRONG.
Severity.
WRONG.
Gravity.
The gravity of the offense. That is the B is the
Gravity.
right answer for the fourth question. Now let us go to the fifth question. The appellant was accused of kidnapping and raping the daughter of Savitri Devi while she was sleeping. The Supreme Court of India in this case observed that the procedure which is used to determine the age of a child who conflicts with the law as per the Juvenile Justice within parenthesis Care and Protection of Children Act Rules 2007 can be followed in the cases falling under the POCSO Act 2012 as well. Applying this rule, the court convicted the appellant was decided in the case of which case law? A. Mahesh Bhai, Suresh Bhai, Makwana versus State of Gujarat, and B. Jarnail Singh versus State of Haryana, C. Shri Amit Kumar Gupta versus State of Meghalaya and others, and D. Raghav versus State.
C, sir. Sri Amit Kumar Gupta versus State of Meghalaya and others.
WRONG.
A, sir. Mahesh Bhai, Suresh Bhai, Makwana versus State of Gujarat.
WRONG.
B.
The answer is the B. Jarnail Singh versus State of Haryana is the right answer for the fifth question. Now the sixth question. What is the correct statement? A. Whoever commits a sexual harassment upon a child shall be punished with the imprisonment of either description for a term that may extend to 3 years or shall also be liable to fine. B. Whoever commits a sexual harassment upon a child shall be punished with the imprisonment of either description for a time that may extend to the 3 years and shall also be liable to fine. C. Whoever commits a sexual harassment upon a child shall be punished with imprisonment of either description of a term that may be extended to 3 years or and shall also be liable to fine. D. Whoever commits a sexual harassment upon the children shall be punished with the imprisonment of either description for a term that may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to a fine. So there are A, B, C, D statements are there. And only one statement is correct, other three are wrong. Shoot. There is no negative marks.
Hello, sir.
Yes. There is no negative
Sir,
marks. Shoot.
voice వినపడట్లేదు.
Yeah, because I read it all the A, B, C, D options. And now you have to choose which one is the correct answer. Because 3 of them I made the mistakes and one of them it is correct. What is that one of them is correct? The right answer is C. Here the right answer is C. The right answer is C. That is, whoever commits a sexual harassment upon a child shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term that may be extended to 3 years and shall also be liable to be a fine. That is the right answer. For this 6, the reason is A, if you happen to see, that may extend to 3 years or, I wrote or, it is not or, and in the come to the matter of the B, description for the 3 for a time that may extend to 3, then time there for a time I wrote the some other thing here. For a time that may be extended to, and next C is no change I made, and D, harassment upon children. I wrote upon children, and that is the wrong way, because there is no upon children, upon a child, not children. So the right answer is C, no change. Hence, correct answer is C for the above question, that is sixth question. Now be ready for the seventh question. Because you logged off, that's why that you did not hear it. Again, I log in, I let you inside. That's why you came. The seventh question. The stated FIR came to be registered against the unidentified persons on the accusation of the commission of sexual offences against the minor tribal girls who were student of infant Jesus English Public High School, Rajura, residing in its girls' hostel. The complaint was lodged by one Rajesh Tulsidas Dhotkar, Assistant Project Officer, Integrated Tribal Development Project, Chandrapur. And this is the facts of the case law. And which case law it is? A. R.P. Kapoor versus State of Punjab. B. State of Haryana and others versus Bhajan Lal and others. C. The State of Maharashtra and other versus Dr. Maroti, son of Kashinath Pimpalkar. And D. State of MP versus Awadh Kishore Gupta and others. Which case law facts which I have mentioned there in the seventh question among the ABCD?
Sir, C, sir, the state of Maharashtra and others versus Dr.
Maroti, son of Kashinath Pimpalkar. That is the right answer.
Yeah.
That is the C
Thank
is
you,
the right
thank
answer
you.
for the seventh question. Now, eighth question. It was also held in the case of Dash that the victim must be presented before the judicial magistrate, preferably to a lady magistrate, within 24 hours of the rape to record the statement under section 164 and within parenthesis 5 capital A, provision A of the CRPC. In which case law it was made? A. Shivanarayana Sakya versus State of Madhya Pradesh, and B. Chuk Singh versus State of Anadars. C. Sunil versus State of Madhya Pradesh. D. State of Karnataka versus Shivanna.
A, sir, Shivanarayana Shekya versus the state of Madhya Pradesh.
WRONG.
D, sir, state of Karnataka versus Shivanna.
State of Karnataka versus Shivanna is the right answer.
Okay.
Ninth question. Yes, unmute and read. Ninth question.
After the amendment in the year, the punishment for sexual offences against children has become more stringent. Still, India has a long way to go to curb sexual offences against the children. A. 2017, B. 2018, C. 2019, D. 2019.
I should say 2020 here. Okay. Which is the right answer?
After the amendment in the year, the punishment
In the year, which is the option? Which option is?
once more I repeat the question, sir. Why? Because I am not understanding the question.
I will
That's why I'm
read it.
repeating.
I will read it.
Yeah.
After the
Another
amendment
reading.
in the year dash, the punishment for the sexual offences against the children has become more stringent. Still, India has a long way to go to curb sexual offences against children. Option A, 2017. Option B, 2018. Option C, 2019. Option D, 2020.
I think answer is B, sir. That is 2018.
WRONG.
Once more, 2019.
2019 is the right answer. Yes, 10th question. When a violation is committed under Section 23 of the POCSO Act, the publishers are the owner of the media, studio, or photography facility is held jointly and severally accountable for his employee's act or omission as observed by the Supreme Court in this case. A. Nipun Saxena versus Union of India. B. Nipun Chakravarti versus Union of India. C. Union of India versus Shankar Rao. D. Mohan Das Chagla versus Union of India.
Sir, B, sir, answer. Nipun Chakravarti versus Union of India.
You are right that Nipun Saxena versus not Chakravarti. Nipun Saxena versus Union of India. A is the right answer, not B is the right answer. A is the right answer, not B is the right answer. To the 10th question. The right answer is A. Nipun Saxena versus Union
Nipun
of
Saxena
India.
versus Union of India.
Yes, 11th question. In the case of Dash, the Supreme Court of India laid down the guidelines to be followed by the special courts while trying a case under the POCSO Act 2012 so that the trial is completed within a period of 1 year from the date of taking cognizance of the offense as provided under the section 35 of the aforementioned act. In which case, law A. Alok Srivastava versus Union of India and others. B. Alok Srivastava versus Union of India and others. C. Alok Srivastava versus NCT of Delhi. D. Alok Srivastava versus NCT of Delhi.
A, sir.
You are right. A. Alok Srivastava versus Union of India and others is the right answer for the 11th question. Now, 12th question. In Satish Ragde versus State of Maharashtra, the bench ruled that the act of pressing the breast a child aged 12 years without removing her top will not fall within the definition of the sexual assault under dash of POCSO. A. Section 5, B. Section 6, C. Section 7, D. Section 8.
C is the section 7, sir, answer.
Answer C is the section 7 is the right answer. Now 13th question. In the landmark case Balaji Saji Rao Kamble versus State of Maharashtra 2017, the child victim was roughly 6 to 8 years old at the time of the alleged rape. At such a young age, the victim is unlikely to have such a keen sense of time, the court viewed. Already I told. I should have to remove this thing actually, but I forgotten to do the thing. Actually, I thought I removed it. I deleted it. Now the right answer is
B. Balaji
Balaji Sarajiro Kamble versus State of
versus State of Maharashtra.
I thought I removed it. I deleted it. Then I found now. No, I didn't. I did not delete it. Okay. Now fourth question is. Dash, sitting additional judge of the Bombay High Court in Maharashtra had handed down the 3 acquittals under the POCSO Act in 3 separate cases, all within a week, which was created a furor on social media. On January 14, in Jageshwar Vasudeo Kavale versus State of Maharashtra, she reversed the conviction order after noting that there was nothing supporting the prosecution case for the rape, and she was acquitted of the offense punishable under the 376 subsection 2 of the Indian Penal Code IPC 1860 and section 5 punishable under the section 6 of the POCSO Act 2012. It's a lady judge. She has acquitted all the 3 cases, including the last case law. Now, what is the judge name? A. Justice Pushkar Ganediwala. B. Justice Pushpa Ganediwala. C. Justice Prasanna Ganediwala. D. Justice Prakrit Ganediwala.
B, sir, Justice Pushpa Ganediwala.
Yes, it's the Justice Pushpa Ganediwala. Yes, it is she who has acquitted. 15th question. Nagpur bench held that Holding a minor's hand and opening the zip of pants will not come under the definition of the sexual assault under the POSCO 2012 and would rather come under the sexual harassment under dash of the Indian Penal Code. A. Section 534 capital A G and B. Section 534 capital A H. C. Section 534 capital A I clause I and D. Section 534 capital A clause J.
సార్ ఐపీఎస్ లో ఓన్లీ 511 సెక్షన్స్ కదా సార్ ఉండేది ఓన్లీ ఇన్ ఐపీసీ ఓన్లీ 511 సెక్షన్స్ కదా
I think this is a POSCO. No, it is there given. I don't know from where I got it. Special act of any special act is there,
నో సార్
but directly that I copied from there. I will show you from where I copied. Is there any special act?
నో సార్ ఐ థింక్ 324 or 334 of sections.
No, because see, it is here. Holding minor's hand and zipping is 354 capital A of the Indian Penal
Yeah,
Code.
outraging of modesty. Yeah, 354
354.
A is sexual harassment, voyeurism, capitalism.
Yeah, 354, not 534.
Yeah.
354. 354. That I made wrong. It is 354.
354 లో సార్ 354 A, B, C, D only, not G, H, I, J.
But they mentioned there.
Is it wrong, sir?
I think it is wrong there. Better we can say
Yeah.
instead of making 354.
A, B, C, D, sir. Only.
Yes, A, B, C, D we can make it out. 354 we can make A, B, C, D. A, B. Then right answer is?
Sir, only 354 A, 354 B, 354 C, 354 D, not subsections.
Okay. Means capital A, capital B, capital B.
Yeah.
Capital B. But how could I don't know why. Even I did not check it. Even I myself also did not check it. And 53, 4. Then right answer is?
I think 354 D, sir.
D also there.
Capitalism, voyeurism.
Yeah, this is the right answer. The last one is.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Advocate SR Venunath, welcome. Karibustana to the class. Yes, next question. Though this is the right answer. The last one is the right answer. Isn't? Yes, next question, 16th question. That the little girl further says that he is a bad uncle. When she was deposed before the court, she clearly stated the finger was put in her dash part, of the result of which a lot of blood came out. She was not sure in a position of exactly describe the incident on account of her simplicity and purity, not yet spoiled by the mundane affairs. The judge noted, who is the judge name? Justice Dangre, B. Justice Davan, C. Justice Danish, D. Justice Davangare. Who is the justice?
Justice Danish.
WRONG.
D, sir.
WRONG. The right answer is A. Justice Dangre. Dangre. Dangre or Dangre. Okay, 17th question. The facts given in the above questions are based on which case law? The above facts which is given here based on which case law? A. Mahadev Gaur Bishwas versus State of Maharashtra and others. B. Mahinder Gaur Bishwas versus State of Maharashtra and others. C. Manik Gaur Bishwas versus State of Maharashtra and others. D. Mohan Gaur Bishwas versus State of Maharashtra and others. Here the facts, these are the facts which is given and which case law. Shoot. The right answer is A. A is the right answer. Time is up. Is it time is up? No, not time is up. Time is there. But participants, yes, it has come out. Yeah. Is it clear? Now could you see it? So 18th question. Participants, are you there? Oh no. She has came out. Okay, 18th question. POSCO in which type of abbreviation? Is it a initialism? Is it a acronym? Is it a shortening? Is it a contraction? POCSO. Anyone can unmute and give the answer.
A, sir. Imtiazam.
POCSO, I said. I pronounced it as a one word. I pronounced it as a one word, POCSO. So it is an acronym.
Acronym.
Yes. See, I have given here
Abbreviations.
there are generally 4 different types of the abbreviation in English. Initialism, URL, that is the Uniform Resource Locator. That is the initialism. SMS, separate, I pronounce SMS. But when I pronounce the POCSO, I pronounce like a SADC, Southern African Development Community, NATO. And shortening is February, FEB, F capital letter small EB, and February, that is a shortening. And contraction is I will. And you write in the SMS, I apostrophe LL, I will. So that is the thing. Now, 19th question. The Protection of the Children from Sexual Offence Act 2012, which number of the Act? A, 30, B, 31, C, 32, C, 33. Act number. POCSO Act number. It is C, 32 is the right answer. Act number 32 is the right answer. Now, 20th question. How many sections, how many chapters are there in the POCSO Act? A, 45 and 10, B, 46 and 9, C, 47 and 9, D, 48 and 10.
46 and 9, sir.
46 sections and Roman capital 9 chapters. So these are the today's my deliberation, and the next class I would like to deal this one, that is the Mental Health Care Act 2017. This I would like to deal in the tomorrow class. As usual time, 8:30 Indian Standard Time. Up to that extent, say goodbye. And now I will say Jai Hind. End of the session.
भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना
आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा
जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे
भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जय हिंद।
ख्वाब तो सिर्फ कश्मीर की आज़ादी के आते हैं,